Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video we'll be talking about how to fix Qubo Dash Cam not connecting to Wi-Fi. Number 1. Turn on the Dashcam Wi-Fi. Press the Wi-Fi button on your Qubo Dash Cam. A Wi-Fi icon or voice prompt should confirm it's turned on. Number 2. Connect to the Dashcam's Wi-Fi network. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network name like Qubo XXXXXX. Tap it and enter the default password, usually in the manual or on the device. Number 3. Use the Qubo app. Open the Qubo Pro Dashcam app. Download from App Store or Google Play. The app should auto-detect and connect to your dashcam once on the same Wi-Fi network. Number 4. Reset the Wi-Fi on the camera. If it's not showing up, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the camera for a few seconds to reset it. Then try reconnecting from your phone again. Number 5. Disable mobile data temporarily. On some phones, mobile data interferes with connecting to the dashcam's Wi-Fi. Go to your phone settings and turn off mobile data, then reconnect. Number 6. Restart both devices. Turn off and on both the dashcam and your phone, then retry the connection steps. Number 7. Update the app and firmware. Make sure the Qubo app is updated. If the camera connects briefly, check for any firmware updates through the app. Quick tip, you won't have internet while connected to the dashcam's Wi-Fi. This is normal. It's a direct connection just for the camera.